We got to get the car ready for the dyno. So this starts the day. There we go. Got to fix this. Hey, you're probably wondering where the video is of that bumper. Well, I got to run on it. So I got to go back and fix it after at least 3 days. And that guy's got quite the collection. Probably the biggest collection of all of my customers ever. I mean, he's got a 70 Chevelle, a 72 Chevelle, 69 Camaro, 70 Charger RT. I mean, you name it, this dude's got it. He's even building a Hellcat. It's about 11 o'clock. We're gonna eat some food real quick. So I messed up. All right, so good news. After testing the exhaust tips, they actually slide right in the muffler. If you're wondering how big my shop is, it is this big. Here's my welder. I gotta move stuff around just to work on stuff. Hey, have you recently had an amazing customer experience? So I do a lot of backpacking, hiking. My wife and I, we do a lot of that stuff. We love it. Amahola Falls, been there a bunch of times. Do all that hiking around there. And so one of the big companies when it comes to hiking is Mountain Hardware. They do great stuff. I started using them a long time ago when there was a hiker called Yuli Steck. He was breaking a lot of records and he used their gear. Now listen, I know that guy could have used anything. He probably could have used stuff from Walmart, but I knew that if it was durable and this guy was trying to chase records, I knew it worked for me. So I used their trekking poles, I used their gloves, their gauntlet gloves. Amazing product. Anyway, I bought a tent from them about 15 years ago. It was my first really, really nice tent, which I was like saving up for. It was like $350 at the time, I think. Anyway, fast forward to now, I went to use it last year on Mount Whitney, and I didn't check it before I left. And when I went, all of the kind of sealing stuff like that had kind of disintegrated, right? So I don't fault them. It's been in my closet for probably the last 5 years, just sitting in a bin, just not being used, not being taken care of like it should have been. So I 100% fault myself for that. So I sent it back in hopes that they could fix it because I did like it and I wanted the windows back on it. But they said, you know what? We can't really fix this. What we're going to do is we're going to refund all of your money. Now, I didn't even send them a receipt or anything like that. I was just blown away that they would do that for me. That is real customer service. Anytime you get a product that just blows you away, you really should let people know about it because those companies, you really only hear about when there's bad stuff. People don't usually write reviews for good products. They only write reviews for bad products. So it's kind of a skewed kind of system. Anyway, leave a good review for somebody today and you will appreciate it. Cross this off, bam! Hey, so I got one thing left to do before it goes off to the dyno next week. Got the exhaust tips welded on. Car's ready to go to the dyno next Tuesday. That's a wrap for today.